What up, guys? It's your boy King Jaffe Joe 413 back with another one.
I see you haters I'm getting away. I'm going away. I told you I'm walking away. There's so many things going on with this one.
What's going on, guys? How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know me, chilling like always. All right, so today, I'm here. You know what I'm saying? The homies over at Vantrue, you know what I'm saying? Sent me over the F1 motorcycle dash cam, the Falcon 1 motorcycle dash cam, you know what I'm saying? So your boy's about to be putting this on the Ryker, you know what I'm saying? A little paper that it came in, a little box, that's a little dope, you know what I'm saying? Tells you that it got the remote, the front cam, the back cam, you know what I'm saying? So let's take a look at what we got in the box. You know what I'm saying? So first taking a look at the box. Nice box, you know what I'm saying? Nice box. You might want to keep this box and put some parts in, you know what I'm saying? Nuts and bolts when you're working on bikes and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Falcon F1, baby. Wham, bam, thank you, man. All right, so I already took the plastic off because you know me, I was eager. I want to look at it. All right, so you open it up. This is what we got. We got 3 little boxes. So let's pull out the first box. And it says in the middle, it says accessories. So let's see what accessories we got. All right, pull it out. All right, they inside little baggies, you know what I'm saying? Good. That's nice presentation. That's a good presentation. So we got 5 zip ties. It gave us 5 zip ties. Probably not enough. What else we got in here? Oh, we got some Allen key. We got an Allen key and a baby screwdriver. Allen key and a baby screwdriver. What else we got in the accessory bag? We got this little ass thing right here. Oh, that's like, those are some screws. I got 4 screws. I don't know. I'm gonna leave them in the bag because I don't want to lose them. Next bag we got in here. We got some 2-sided tape pieces. Some for the camera and other parts. Probably the remote, you know. 2-sided tape. All right, next box we're gonna pull out is this one, right? We got here. It's right here. Oh, power wire harness. So we got a power wire harness with inline fuse. So you know me, I like to hook my stuff up to the accessory wire so it doesn't run off the battery. But something like this, you got to hook it up to the battery so if someone bumps your bike when you're not around, it'll still record. But it does have a wire that you do have to hook up to accessory wire. So we will be running that to the accessory wire like usual. We got a mount. This mount here is for if you want to mount it to like your handlebars. If you want to mount the camera to your handlebars or somewhere like that, this is what this you can use this for. I might be utilizing this. You know what I'm saying? Maybe the A-arm, I put it right here. Maybe I put my camera right here and on the A-arm. I don't know where I'm gonna put the front one. I got a couple of ideas for the rear, but the front, I really don't know. All the places I thought about to put in it, it just doesn't work. Like under here, the grill's in the way, you know what I'm saying? Just a couple of different things. All right, last box we got. All right, we got a little lens cleaner to clean the lens, you know what I'm saying? That's cool. Oh, here go the brain. You know what I'm saying? We got the brain. As you can see, all the wires on this connector, on this brain, they're all different, so you won't get confused when doing the connecting. Little door right there, that's probably most likely for the memory card. What else we got in here? We got our manual. You know what I'm saying? We'll go through that at the end of the video, every page, okay, guys? You know what I'm saying? Got you. We got a wire. Decent sized wire, probably extension wire to get from one place to another place. And we have another wire, which is probably the same thing to get you from one place to another place. Some nice wire, decent wire, you know what I'm saying? And that's all 3 boxes. So next we got left in the box, we got a camera here. I already took the plastic off this one because I was looking at it. But this is the 4K front camera. You see it right there, you know what I'm saying? says it right there, 4K. Little line on the top to let you point the top of it. So if you want to point this on the bottom of a bike, you don't want to put it upside down because the whole camera should, the whole camera should turn inside the bracket. You probably have to loosen up the screws. Let me see the Allen key. Let's see. It came with an Allen key, so that's what this must be for. Yes, sir. So let's loosen that up a little bit. Yeah, it's not really turning. So if you want to put it upside down, let's see. Oh, yeah, there it goes. So there you go. So if you want to put it upside down, like mount it that way, you want to still have that at the top. Okie dokie, guys. So let's tighten that back up because we don't want the screw to fall out. And then we got the rear camera, 1080p 30. You know, they already got two-sided tape on the bottom of both of them, so I guess that's just extra two-sided tape just in case you don't like where you put it. And then last but not least, we have the remote. So this remote has a built-in microphone, a built-in speaker. You can record, save to your, there's a file for events. So like if you get in an accident, hit a big bump or something like that, it's probably gonna record in the event area. So they have a button. So like if you're driving, you see someone crash, boom, you can hit it because it's not an event for you. It's an event to someone else. You know what I'm saying? So to save that on your memory card, because the reason for that, saving it into a different spot, is because the memory card, it saves over itself. So once it saves and it fills up the whole memory card, the first thing that it records over that. You know what I'm saying? It keeps going over and over until you stop or retake the stuff off or reformat your memory card. And speaking of format your memory card, they recommend that you format your memory card regularly. So I would say probably like once a month, you know what I'm saying? Format it maybe every other, you know what I'm saying? Once a week. Why not once a week? You know what I'm saying? You know you about to go on a big ride today. You know what I'm saying? You ain't had no footage on it that you needed to save. You about to go on a nice ride. Boom, format your piece real quick. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see Fred. Got to clean her up because guess what's coming up? Shakalaka coming up this weekend. Today is Tuesday night. Wednesday's tomorrow. I'm about to throw this camera on here so we can see what we do with the shot. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do it on. We're gonna see some footage from the shot. So I'm gonna install this. We'll do a walk around, and I'll show you how I set it up, how I decided to set it up. After that, I'm gonna get some footage when the Shakalaka this weekend, and then so this video probably won't be coming out for like another week, but we're gonna get some footage for the shot so I can show you front footage, some real footage, and give you my experience on how about using this. All right, guys? So I'll talk to you later. Peace. All right, guys. So I got it all mounted up. You know what I'm saying? I figured out where I want to put it. So let's take a look at it. Let's take a look what I did. All right, so you know what I'm saying? We got the front one. You know what I'm saying? We got the front one. I decided to mount that dead center. You know what I'm saying? Dead center in the middle. You know what I'm saying? Good view. Sticks out a little bit from the side, but it's kind of inconspicuous from the front. You know what I'm saying? You really can't see it. The back one, so soon to come out, or it might have came out already, the light whip mod that I did a video for should be coming out. I don't know if it came out yet, but either way, they give you this mount to mount the camera on a handlebar, but I had this thing here that I mounted my light whip onto, so I mounted the camera there. So wham bam, thank you ma'am. It's fucking awesome, no lie. It's like the best spot I could have chose. You know what I'm saying? That's like right behind the tire. I was thinking about putting it up here originally, but if you notice how I have all that rubber up there, that means it's gonna be rubber stuck on the lens. So right there is the place to be. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show y'all some of the, let me show you the inside. So what I did with the inside, they give you a lot of extra wire because this obviously has to fit on all kind of bikes. So they want to make sure like Harleys and stuff farther travel. So there's a lot of extra wire here, but I managed it, wrapped it up, left it in the glove box. I put the brain module right here on the side. I put it this way because I want the SD card to be easy accessible. See, it's right there. So you can actually take the footage out by transferring it to your scanner. I mean, with your phone, you can take the picture out by using your phone and transferring to your phone, or if you want to do like editing videos like this kind of video and you want to use the footage in that video, you want to take your memory card out. So it's easier for it to be right there, and with the memory card pointing up, so I can just easy access that memory card, change it out, and do what I got to do there. But yeah, so let me show you guys what some of the app looks like, and let me show you some of the footage. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So when you go in the app and you thing on log into your part by Wi-Fi, it's going to tell you to update your firmware, but we're going to skip that for right now. Make sure we tell it to remind me for later. All right, after that, what we're going to do is connect our part. Shouldn't take too long. Hop on. As soon as you hop on, the Wi-Fi's connect. Boom, there's the front screen, the front camera. You can switch to the back camera, the full screen back camera. Now we got the back in a little corner. Then we can switch it to have the front in a little camera, how you want to do it. You know what I'm saying? Quick and easy. Switch it up. Just go into settings. There's a whole bunch of settings you guys can check out. Look at sync to your phone, language, Wi-Fi, resolution, 2-in-1 video, looping, alerts, G-Shock, exposure, indicator, rotation. You know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna go through them all, but a bunch of good ones. Parking mode, that's actually a good one. You know what I'm saying? Night vision, make sure you got that on, all that. Actually, let's go back up to this parking mode. Should we turn this on? Nah. Matter of fact, we're gonna turn that on. What that does is, so if anybody touches your bike when you're not on it, it's still gonna record. You can set the different sensitivities. So most of this stuff has different sensitivities. They got like GPS settings and stuff like that. You can check out the GPS settings, change your speed, kilometers, stuff like that, date, time, so much stuff. So I ain't gonna go through them all, but if you want to check them all, get yourself one, you can go through it. So you can go right from your phone and get to your footage, pull up your footage, boom, SD card, or on your phone library. It's gonna come up in 4 different categories: your pictures, your parking, collisions. So your collisions come to, basically on, if you hit a bump too hard, it'll record it as a collision. If it records as a collision, it won't erase over. So all this stuff erases over, and if it's a collision, it won't. But here's some of the footage for you: front cam and rear, different rear cam, day footage, a little sunny out, date, time, latitude, longitude, altitude, speed, all that good stuff you want on there. Yeah, look at that. Little night footage for you guys. A little bit of night footage. Front, full back, you know what I'm saying? Not too bad in the dark either, you know what I'm saying? Night footage, the resolution in the front is better than the back, but obviously it's given. You ain't gotta it ain't gotta be perfect. Night footage is clean, you know what I'm saying? It's actually this footage right here is from someone I rented the bike to. They was actually floating on my joint, you know what I'm saying? Little rental, he was floating. Look at him. Little burnout on my joint while he in the rental. He got the rental. Boy, my man Lucky. That's his name, Lucky. Yeah, but the footage is good at nighttime, even in the daytime, nighttime, you know what I'm saying? Look at, you can't tell me that's not good footage. See, you go read that license plate right there. My placing is good. Look at some more day footage with got your little corner. You can see the corner, rear in the corner. Yeah, I think we was in Boston right here. For some reason the sound cut out. I don't know why, but I'm gonna check that out. But yeah. Yeah, it's pretty dope. Yeah. See it? You see it? Some good footage there. All right, guys. So, you can see it's good footage. You know what I'm saying? It's good footage. So you check. I don't think there's nothing better you can get out there. It ain't nothing better for your money. So I'm just watching it. That's why I'm like, yo, it's actually some good footage. Like, and it records. It got everything. You park your bike, it records. You know what I'm saying? You know, you be places and someone might touch your joint. But yeah. Vantrue. This is the F1 motorcycle cam. I'm gonna tell you, I had this camera for about a year now. Not gonna lie, love it. It's worth it. It's a little pricey, you know what I'm saying? But if you want top quality footage and you want to be and get the footage all the time, you never know what's gonna happen. You know what I'm saying? A lot of us get GoPros, got the GoPro. Sometimes you don't turn the GoPro on. Sometimes the GoPro dies. Boom, something happens. I didn't get that footage. You know what I'm saying? Protect yourself. Protect yourself. This is gonna help you protect yourself. Trust me. I had it for a year. I had an experience. I may put a clip in here. I got in a motorcycle accident. Footage, got all the footage clearly off of this. Love it. Like, it has little remote, comes with a little remote. Obviously, I showed y'all where I installed it earlier in the video. Y'all seen I installed it. Has a little remote here. So as soon as you start turning the bike on, it automatically records.
Start video recording. Wi-Fi on.
Wi-Fi on, so you can pull it right up from your phone. Like I showed you in some of the footage. I showed you right from the phone. You can pull up some of the footage. Settings, I showed you guys a bunch of settings, and I showed you guys some footage. I just want to let you know, the Vantrue F1 motorcycle cam is the truth. You know what I'm saying? True is in the name. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. So if you're thinking about getting your motorcycle camera, I'm gonna let you know King Joffy Joe is recommending this. All right? Peace.